So you want to start a blog, but you don't know where to host it. Today I am going to show you some alternatives. Hi, I am Pixelpia. If you missed my last video about who, what and why to blog, I will put it up in the information card. And today I am gonna focus on the where to blog. There are a lot of alternatives out there. And today I will show you 3 free hosts where you can blog and 3 paid alternatives. Each one with its own pros and cons. And I am not promoting one over the other. Actually, I don't host my own blogs on any of these, but I have a paid version and I will mention it at the end. And the general advantage of a paid version is that you have so much more control both over layout and function. For the paid version, I will just make some quick observations and go over the price points. So let's take a look and let's start with the free versions. The first place we are taking a look at today is Medium.com. Medium is a place where all types of writers publish their work. From a blogger standpoint, it has lots of limitations for layout and future monetization, since it has no ads. But they have a partner program you can join. Medium is very easy to use, and if you just want your words out there, it is a great place to start. But if you, like me, want more control over the look of your writing, maybe it is not the place for you. The next website we are looking at is Wix.com. Wix comes with ads in the free version, and if you can live with that, you have a lot of control over how your blog looks here. It is very easy to set up your first site or blog. You answer a few questions if this is your first website or your first blog, or you can choose a template to edit. One thing I like with Wix is that if you upload a logo for your blog, you can create a color palette from that logo. It is also very easy to edit the different layout objects in the editor. So if you want more control and are okay with the ads Wix will put on your blog, this is a great alternative. And let me mention that Wix also have a premium alternative which you pay for. Next we go to Blogger.com, which is part of the Google family. Blogger is an old favorite of mine, and if you, like me, use a lot of Google applications, you will feel very much at home here. It is very easy to set up your first blog. Create a title and a web address, which will be yourname.blogspot.com, and pick a template. You can then very easily customize the template by using layouts created by other users, or change background widths, layouts, fonts, etc. in the theme designer. As part of the Google family, you can easily, if you're qualified, use Google AdSense to monetize your blog with. Under settings, you have a lot of things to adjust, and as always, you have the small pop-up windows from the question mark that help you explain what everything is. If you later want to move your blog to a paid alternative, you can download the blog under settings/other/delete blog. That was the 3 free versions. Now let's take a look at some paid alternatives. As I said, I will not go into any details about functionality and what you get, but I will give you a quick overview and talk about the price points. So let's get back to the computer. The first of the paid alternatives we're going to look at is Squarespace.com. Squarespace have 4 different price points: personal, business, basic commerce, and advanced commerce. And for a blogger, I would guess that the 2 first ones are the most popular. For the personal, you pay either if you pay yearly $12 a month or if you pay monthly $16 a month. And for the business, you pay $18 per month yearly or $26 per month. So what is it we get in the business account that we don't get with the personal? Well, first of all, we can have unlimited contributors to our website or blog. We get a professional email from Google, and we get CSS and Java. The next paid web space is Typepad. Typepad is focused on bloggers, so if you want to build a web page, this is probably not a place for you. They have 4 price groups, and all the prices are a month. They have Plus for $8.95, Unlimited for $14.95, Premium for $29.95, and Enterprise for $49.95. I would focus on the Plus or Unlimited. On Unlimited, you can create multiple blogs, while you on the Plus only can create 4. You can fully customize the design and have unlimited storage on the Unlimited. I couldn't find any information about custom emails, but if you are serious about being a blogger, maybe Typepad is for you. The last paid version we will take a look at is WordPress.com. The open source publishing platform WordPress is the most popular online publishing platform, and more than 1/3 of all the websites is built on WordPress. WordPress.com is the hosted version. I personally use WordPress at my web host, but I will tell you more about that later. I also want to mention that WordPress.com have a free version, but this is very limited. Besides the free version, the premium gives you some advanced design. You have personal for $4 a month, premium $8, business $25, and e-commerce $45, and unlimited premium themes. But they all 4 have storage limitations. So what about my blogs? As I said in the beginning, I don't use any of these. My websites and blogs are hosted at a website called site5.com, and I have had my websites and blogs there for a very long time. I pay just under $200 a year for this website, and for that I get unlimited disk space, unlimited bandwidth, and I can have unlimited number of websites and blogs. And as I said, I have 2 sets of WordPress installed, one for each of my blogs. So why don't we take a look at Pixelpia Teaching and Learning? And the actual web address to this is pixelpia.com. First, you see that it is very traditionally set up for a blog, with a header with a navigation bar at the top, the main area with all my latest blogs, with the sidebar with all essential information, links to other pages. I have a calendar and so forth, and with a footer with all the important contact information. I also have my socials up in the header. Now let's take a quick look at the WordPress interface. From here it's very easy to add posts and pages, and I can post using email as well. And as you can see, I have a lot of plugins which make a lot of functionality. For example, I have mailing lists. I have a plugin where I can publish directly to my social media when I have a new post up. I have a plugin if I want to add my YouTube videos right on my website, and much more. And I must say, WordPress is one of the easiest publishing platforms I have ever used. And I have used it, as you see here, for my blog, but I have also used it to build static websites. I hope you like this video and that you will give it a thumb up. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I hope you will do so. That's all for today. And don't forget, never stop learning. Goodbye.